Hi, let's install the Intellij IDEA. Open your favorite browser and type download Intellij IDEA. Click on the very first link, which is the JetBrains official site link. Intellij IDEA has two editions, Intellij IDEA Ultimate and Intellij IDEA Community Edition. Community Edition is available free of charge, but the Ultimate version requires a license key. You can still use it for 30 days without a license key. After a successful download, double click the downloaded file. It will open an installation wizard. Just click next and check those boxes if you want. Let's wait until the installation finishes. Once it finishes, reboot your system. Now click on the Intellij IDEA icon. It will open the Intellij IDEA. Here you see an idea window. We don't have any project yet to start, so let's create a new project by clicking on the new project button. Let's name our project Hello World. You can also choose the location where you want to save your new project, and you can create a git repo if you want. And if you click on the drop down, you will see the list of JDK installed in your system. Currently my system has JDK 2022 version. If you want, you can also download JDK right from here. And on the left you can see so many languages are listed: Java, Kotlin, Groovy. So I am selecting Java, and you can see we have ticked add sample code and generate code with onboarding tips. So it will add these two. Okay, so let's create it. You can see it is initializing our project, and this is the sample codes that has been added by Intellij. Let's remove this breakpoint and click on the play icon to run this program, and it is start building, and here is our output. So let's remove all this for loop code. Just simply print hello and welcome. So let's again click on play icon, and you will see the output hello and welcome.